thoughts can influence so deeply the matter, the inanimate object. So if you are very clear, I will win, simply you will win. But if you are having doubts, probability, means the self-contradicting words, then drop. At least drop and be free. Why to torture yourself? Yes.
So if one keeps desiring, even if it's positive desiring, when will he have the awareness to start thinking about contention, being content?
This is a beautiful question. When a person is really intensely working on desires, just after few desires you will be liberated. You are continuously in bondage because you never worked intensely on your desires. You never worked intensely on your desires. So be very clear, when you work intensely, even after few desires you will be liberated. But now itself don't talk about liberation. People will be afraid to work on the desires. Oh, what will happen if I give up all the desires? Nothing wrong will happen, don't worry. You will only become more blissful.
Swamiji, you can fix a dent on a car also.
Here starts the trouble. That is why I never speak about all those things. Then these guys will bring, all of them will be standing in front of my house. I have to become like a mechanic. I am not interested in fixing all these cars. I am interested in fixing your mind. I wanted that job to be done. You see, the car, there are mechanic shops. There are all those guys, they can fix. But mind only I can fix. Bring that, let me fix that first. Let me fix that first. That's what I am doing. I am doing the real job which others can't do. Yes.
Just for sake of clarity on words, is there a difference between, in a mantra style, I am healthy, happy, and wealthy, or I should be happy, wealthy, and wealthy?
Oh, I should be happy, I am happy. Both are not too different, are big. There is no much big difference. You understand? Almost one and the same. But naturally the I am healthy is more solid, more stronger. I am healthy is surely more stronger. But immediately we will not be able to believe ourselves so much. So the I should be healthy is a path. I am healthy is the end. Usually in the ancient mantras, in the Vedic mantras, it is always said, I am healthy. Only that part is used. More than I should be healthy, I am healthy only is used. So the I should be healthy is like a religion. I am healthy is spirituality. It's a goal. So it's always better to use the higher level words. But you should not have doubt when you use those words. That is the problem. At least with the second level words, you will not have doubt. With the first level words, when you jump, you start having doubts. What I am doing is right or wrong, I don't know. I think I am just hypnotizing myself, or I am a hypocrite. Don't create all these problems. Then one more problem. Be clear. All right.
Bondage and no bondage. How to sort it out? Like you're bonded to your family, you're nurturing. You get happiness by being there and their happiness.
Anything gives you happiness, don't bother. Let it be there. See, anything gives you happiness, let it be there.
But when you lose it,
Ah.
it causes pain. So you think you should have had bondage.
See what to do now. Now measure. Which is more? Does it give more bliss or more suffering? But naturally, you will have both. Naturally, everything has to give both joy and suffering. Measure which is more.
Hard to,
Huh?
it's hard to decide.
Oh, then you are in trouble. What to do now? 51, 49%, 1%. At least 1%. Surely that much we must be able to decide, ma. 49, 51. Not even 49, 51. 50, 50. Exactly.
Because maybe I'm not sure. I haven't analyzed.
Then start analyzing. Start analyzing. See which is, if the joy is 51% and sorrow is 49, it is worth having. Have it. Keep it. If the joy is 49, sorrow is 51, it's not worth having. Drop it. Drop. That's all. Yes.
What about these, call them the deeper desires, or a little more unconscious, are kind of control, run you more than,
You don't have to control them.
not so easy to get rid of them so quick because they're deeper planted, deeper thought, something in the words for that. You can't just say, you can't just be positive thinking because they're still underneath there driving you somehow.
You don't have to drop them. Let it be there. If it is deep down, it will start working, give energy to them, let them work out. Let them start working out. Let them start expressing in your life. And I tell you, when you have the right desire, even your body can be altered to enjoy the desire. Even your body gets altered. I have seen people, just because of their deep desire to live, they have come out of cancer. They simply come out of the cancer. Deep desire to live and enjoy, nothing else. Simply they come out of cancer. Whole body structure changes. So deep desires, if it is implanted, encourage it. Give energy. It will do only good to you. It will not do anything bad to you.